Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing Zeal wallet and card and what it is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth using. So first, what is Zeal? Well, Zeal is a digital wallet combined with a Visa debit card that lets you store money, earn rewards, and spend globally from one app. One of its biggest selling points is self custody, which means you control your funds instead of the platform holding them for you like a traditional bank. Now let's talk about the highlights. Zeal, you can earn up to around 5% APY depending on market conditions and get cashback rewards of up to about 4% on eligible purchases. The Visa card works in 150 countries worldwide, has zero foreign exchange fees, and supports Apple and Google Pay, making it especially appealing for travelers, freelancers, and remote workers. But there are some downsides you should know about. First, Zeal is not a bank, so your funds are not FDIC insured. It's also a relatively new platform, meaning it doesn't yet have a long track record compared to established financial apps. And if you're new to crypto style or self custody wallets, there can be a bit of a learning curve at the start. So, is Zeal really worth it? Well, if you want a modern wallet with rewards, global spending, and more control over your money, Zeal is definitely worth checking out. But if you prefer traditional banking protections and maximum simplicity, this might not be the best option for you. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!